Do you hate exercise but still want strong, stable legs? You're not alone. Many seniors find exercise boring, painful, or just overwhelming. Simply lift one knee at a time, slowly and steadily. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Stand behind your chair and hold it lightly for balance. Now, lift one leg forward and straighten it out as much as you comfortably can. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower it gently. Switch legs and repeat. Now gently shake out your legs and take a deep breath. If you'd like, stretch your legs forward and flex your ankles a few times. You just strengthened the most important muscles for walking, balance, and independence. Even if you hate working out, a few minutes like this each day can keep you mobile, confident, and pain-free. Be proud of yourself for taking care of your body. You don't need perfection, you just need consistency. Come back to this routine daily or a few times a week, and you'll start to feel the difference. Want more easy, no-sweat workout? Hit that subscribe button, we've got you covered. This exercise targets your quadriceps, the large muscles at the front of your thighs. Strong quads are essential for getting out of chairs, climbing stairs, and protecting your knees. Try not to lock your knee at the top. If you feel any discomfort, reduce the range of motion. Even small lifts help build strength. Breathe naturally, and let's alternate legs for 1 full minute. You're more than halfway there, keep going. Shift your weight to one foot, then slowly lift the opposite leg out to the side. Go only as high as feels comfortable, there's no need to strain. Keep your posture tall and avoid leaning your upper body. After 30 seconds, switch to the other leg. This exercise strengthens the muscles that support your hips and stabilize your walking, helping prevent wobbling and falls. It's great for improving coordination too. Feel free to rest between sides if needed. Remember, small, consistent moves like this can add up to big improvements in leg strength and daily balance. Now, slowly stand up using your leg muscles. If needed, use your hands to push off the chair, then lower yourself back down slowly and repeat. This exercise mimics one of the most common daily movements, getting up from a chair, bed, or toilet. Now, slowly rise up onto your toes, lifting your heels off the floor. Pause at the top for a second, then lower your heels back down with control. This move strengthens your calf muscles, improves your ankle stability, and enhances your balance. It also helps reduce foot and leg fatigue when standing or walking for longer periods. Take your time and stay steady. This isn't about rushing. You can also try it seated if standing is uncomfortable. This simple move can make walking feel lighter and more stable. Let's aim for 60-second stake breaks if needed. And by practicing it regularly, you can build the strength and coordination needed to do it with ease. It's especially helpful for reducing your fall risk and boosting your independence. If you can't go all the way up, just try partial lifts. That still helps. Keep a steady pace and focus on control, not speed. If you're standing, hold onto a chair or countertop for balance. Don't worry about how high your knees go. The goal is just to get your blood flowing and gently wake up those leg muscles. This move also helps loosen stiff joints, especially in your hips and knees. Think of it as telling your body, hey, we're about to move. It's simple, but effective. Keep breathing normally and smile. You're already doing great just by showing up. Let's march it out together for 1 full minute. But here is some good news. You don't have to do intense workouts to improve your leg strength. In fact, just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your mobility, balance, and overall confidence. This routine is designed especially for people over 60 who want to stay active without all the sweat and stress. No equipment, no floor work, just simple, joint-friendly moves you can do at home. Grab a sturdy chair, wear something comfortable, and let's get moving. You'll feel better in your legs and your mindset by the end of this video. Let's warm up with a gentle march in place. You can do this standing or sitting, whichever feels better for you. Next, we're doing a powerful move called the sit. Now let's target your outer thighs and hips with side leg raises. Let's take a seat again for this next move, seated leg extensions. Sit tall with your feet flat on the floor. Time for our final exercise, heel raises. Stand tall behind a chair with both hands on the backrest for support. That's it. Your 5-minute leg workout is complete.